I'm Chang, Product Manager for the wheel loader product line at LiuGong North America. Today I'd like to introduce to you our 877H wheel loader. 877 wheel loader comes with a standard 5.5 cubic yard bucket with bolt-on cutting edge standard. This is a quick coupler machine. Okay. Our 877 actually comes standard configuration as a pin-on bucket. However, we do offer the quick coupler option in addition to the pin-on version. Our LiuGong wheel loaders all come with third valve hydraulic standards. So even though this is a quick coupler machine, if you had ordered this as a pin-on machine, all of the third valve plumbing, these hoses, would be deadheaded here. They are attached in the factory for our customers' versatility down the road should they decide to convert their pin-on machine to a quick coupler configuration. Coming over here to our quick coupler itself, you see that it comes standard with a diverter valve. So in the coupler position, it obviously controls the locking and unlocking pins of our quick coupler with this quick coupler bucket. However, if you were to pull this valve 90 degrees, it operates the auxiliary function. Here's the output hydraulic flow, here's the return flow, and these allow our customers to operate any work tool that requires hydraulic power to operate that tool. All models of our LiuGong wheel loader product line come standard in Z-bar configuration with the twin parallel lift arms. Boom kick-out and bucket kick-out, as indicated by those green sensors, are standard across our product line, manually adjusted by your service technician to whatever return to dig settings you would like. Our tires are standard with Double Coin brand, a very large brand out of Shanghai, China. All of our tires are standard 25-inch rim with standard 3-piece rim. Okay. They are all supplied as radial tires from the factory in China as the default, and the tread depth is L3. One of the great features that we try to give to our customer base is enhanced value. And by that I mean a lot of what other OEMs would consider as optional attachments, we provide as standard configuration for one attractive price point. So what you see here is AutoLube. This is Grunewald, which is top of the line AutoLube system that we place on our larger models, such as our 877H. So AutoLube is a perfect example of an optional attachment that we offer as standard on all of our LiuGong wheel loaders across the product line. If you were to zoom in here, that horizontal lying cylinder there, that is our ride control system, another optional feature that becomes standard with every LiuGong wheel loader across all of our models from the smallest to the largest. See here our standard front working lights, left and right. These are halogen lights up on the roof. On the front are 4 LED lights, and on the rear of the cab are two LED lights for the rear roof lights. And you can see our cab has a nice aesthetic feature of curved glass. In the operator seat is a top-of-the-line Grammer air ride seat from Germany. It comes with a retractable 3-inch seat belt as standard. It comes with great features in terms of serviceability. Here you see our bank of pressure taps for testing diagnostics of the various fluids in our fluid system. Up on the in the cab area, you see our exterior cab filter, which is easily serviceable, and just behind it is its pair, the interior cab filter. Right behind our cab is our hydraulic tank with hydraulic sight gauge and easy access to the tank from the upper level. To the great serviceability that we provide on our 877, I'm going to pull this out, this rear fender, which is made of fiberglass compound. And you can see that it swings out to about 70 degrees, allowing full access and good serviceability for your service technician to our engine and powertrain systems. You will see that we have conveniently grouped all of the fluid drains, the ecology drains, in one convenient location, allowing your service department to easily access the drainage of the engine oil, the hydraulic oil, the transmission oil, and the engine coolant. Those are the 4 drains. 77's electrical system is standard in the industry, 24 volts, pair of 12-volt batteries inside this battery well. Our diesel fill cap is lockable with a padlock. This system also obviously uses a DEF system to fuel, meaning diesel exhaust fluid to fuel our SCR system for emissions control. Okay. This is our cooling fan, hydraulically driven. It is manually reversible. Okay. Inside you can see the standard 4 cooling stacks, air-to-air intercooler, the engine coolant system, or what is generally or generically called the radiator. Below that is our hydraulic oil cooler, and lastly down at the bottom is our torque converter oil cooler. 877 is powered by a Cummins QSL9 engine, 9-liter displacement inline 6 engine, manufactured in Great Britain and assembled in our factories in China. Again, you can see great access for serviceability, the air filtration system, the engine oil dipstick, the fuel water separator is raised and lowered with an electric motor assist, which is accessed from this well. So a toggle switch up would raise the engine hood, and a release lever down here will lower the engine hood. About our drivetrain system, aside from using the world-class Cummins engines on this 877, we also use world-class ZF transmission systems out of Germany. Okay. So on this particular model, the transmission, torque converter, and drive lines are actually manufactured in Germany and imported into our assembly factories in China. This particular model uses limited slip differentials for both the front axle and the rear axle. 7 also comes as part of the engine air filtration system standard and turbine pre-cleaner, as you see up there next to the exhaust stack.